Hello, this is the 911 bolt-on EFI kit from the 924.com. This is a general presentation video. I'm just gonna run through what this kit contains and brief, I don't know, mounting observations. So this kit, exactly like the 924 kit and the 928 kit, aims to preserve the original engine layout, and it doesn't require ITBs or any major intervention on the engine. Actually, you can install this kit with the engine in the car. So yeah, the one of the main goals of this kit is to preserve originality and to be fully reversible should anyone want to do an original restoration at one point on the car. So as you might have seen, this is the new fuel distributor. It replaces the original one. It comes in the kit. It's a custom-made part. There's an injector adapter components which allow you to switch from the mechanical gauge-tronic injectors to these electronic ones. Of course, these are also included in the kit, as is the harness, the plug-in harness. What else? Yeah, there's a trigger system down here. As you might have noticed, if you know the 911 engine bay, the ignition distributor is gone. The hole is plugged, kept, and replacing it is a bracket that holds this crank position sensor, and this reads off a bolt-on trigger wheel system, which you can actually install with the engine in place. So take a look at the space here. So this is designed that you can actually install this with the engine in place. It's a bit of a fiddle, but 10-15 minutes and you're done with the trigger system. So yeah, of course, this is also included in the kit, the sensor as well. Replacing the ignition distributor, there's this 6-port coil pack. One important aspect is that the original plugs will not work with this. So this is, I've just finished this car conversion, and the new leads have not arrived yet, and therefore I'm using some zip ties to hold these in place. So this coil requires one type of connector, and the original leads will not work for that. I'll post a link and the reference number for replacement leads, which will work perfectly for this conversion. All right, so yeah, of course, all the brackets that hold this in place, and yeah, of course, the harness is just one thing, are included in the kit. There is a temperature sensor which is mounted here, replaces the temperature switch. There's an intake air temperature sensor in the back. I can't reach it now, but it's replacing the 7th injector. There's a throttle position sensor here with a bracket, which is also included in the kit. And there is the ECU. It's mounted here on a custom bracket, replaces the ignition module. Comes with this harness and the two relays. Everything is
bolt on and plug it in. So currently I'm just fine-tuning this car, and I have the USB cable connected to the ECU, but it is a max ECU ECU. So yeah, speaking of that, also included in the kit is a tune, which is developed specifically for these engines. This tune will allow you to drive right away. The car will drive perfectly right away, depending on the engine modifications or engine condition of your of your car. You might or might not need very small tune adjustments here and there, but most likely, if your engine is stock, you will need to do nothing but maybe adjust the throttle screw to bring the idle or help the ECU bring the idle where it should be. Yeah, so this is it. It's a pretty straightforward conversion. Some mounting details will follow in additional videos. You can order this through my website, reach out by email, and we'll take it from there. Thank you.